Okay guys, so I'm back with the Kia, and now I need to pull this muffler back in place. With the accident, it pushed the muffler to the front a little bit and got loose from this rubber, this black rubber, I don't know what that thing's called, but this thing, this hooks into this. It makes it. I just need to pull it back in place. So see, it makes it. And here you can see also the damage that the car had on the rear down here. So this is the damage that it had. I think that was the worst part, besides the bumper and that stuff. But I also installed that side molding, the bottom one, and I need to install this side. So let me work on that muffler. Okay guys, so this is what I did to pull the muffler back. I got one of these blue straps and one of these winch pullers I got from Harbor Freight for like $18. But since this is a 10 foot cable, I needed an extension, so I used one of these other straps you use to tie things up behind the trucks. Hooked it to that thing, to this, and I pulled it where I needed it. Now since it's kind of low, I'm using the jack and lifting it to where it's gotta be. You guys can see, almost makes it. Okay guys, so the paint finally arrived, and this time I didn't go with paint scratch. I went with this automotive touch-up paint. Supposedly it's good paint also. They matched the paint pretty good, so let me see if that's really good as the other company, as paint scratch. In the past I've had really good experience with paint scratch. So this is what I'm gonna use to paint both bumpers. Here it is, automotive touch-up paint, and they also asked for the paint code, as you can see right there, Kia STM. That's the code. It took more than what I expected, because it gave me an option of getting it a normal delivery or from 3 to 5 days, and that was like an extra $15, I believe it was. I can't remember. As soon as I paid for it, I received an email saying that even though I did pay for the 3 to 5 day delivery, that doesn't guarantee that I'll receive it on time, which kind of make me feel that I shouldn't have paid for that extra $15. So it did arrive late. But I have it here, so it's a good thing. Okay, so here it is. Let me see. Oh, here's the price. $87 for the paint. Shipping cost was $13.53. Came up to a grand total of $101. Okay, so it's got this test match your paint here. It's like a paint card, a test card to paint it and see if it, put it on the car, on the panel or something, just to see if the color matches. I guess that's what this is for. It also came with some filters for your gun. That's pretty cool. And this thing is to mix your paint. So this is what you get once you order from these guys. You get 3 of those. I see 3 filters also. The test card and the actual paint. I hope this thing turns out okay. Can't wait to start spraying the car. Let me see how this thing turns out. Hopefully it's as good as, well, not as good as paint scratch, but sorry about that noise. They're trying to do some quads, but hopefully it matches, the rest of the paint good like paint scratch does. So right now I'm gonna primer. Right now I'm gonna primer the rear bumper, and after it's done, let it dry and try to spray some paint to see how that turns out. It's primered. It was supposed to be gray. It looks pretty white on the camera, but it's supposed to be gray primer. So waiting for this to dry out and getting the bumper painted over there. So something you could do at home. I mean, if you're doing something to fix your car and don't want to spend that much, try it on your own.